Hey. Supposed to say yes, Mommy.
Yes, Mommy.
I have some questions for you. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, Diana. What does a cow say?
No.
And what does a duck say?
Trap.
And what does a frog say?
Ribbit.
And what does a cat say?
Meow.
And what does a doggy say?
Woof.
And what does a pig say?
Oink.
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 Okay, now for the harder ones. What does a sheep say?
Bah. 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 Bah.
Bah, bah, bah. Who's that? Who says that? Who says bzz? Diana. Who says that? Who says bzz? Who is that?
I think it.
Okay, we'll ask it this way. What does a bee say? Bzz.
What should bee say?
Who else? What other animals do you know?
Animals.
What other animals do you know?
We're here.
We're here. What
I'm
about...
gonna hide.
You're gonna hide.
Hi, I see you.
I see you.
What about pieces? What about pieces?
What does a pig say?
Oink. Oink.
Oink, oink. Bless you. That's gross.
That's gross.
Yeah, that's gross. What about... You gotta...
Pieces.
You know the pig.
Oh no.
What about a horse?
Bah.
No, that's a sheep.
That's a sheep.
The horse says, oh. Oh.
Huh.
And what about a donkey?
Daddy, what does he say?
It says, eon, eon, eon.
Yeah, yeah. What did the Buddha say?
Who?
What did the Buddha say?
I'm stumped. I don't know what you're saying.
Buddha.
Who?
Buddha.
Anybody else know what she's saying?
Buddha. I'll say pizza.
Okay, wait, we gotta stop. I gotta stop the recording first.
I'll